Hey, it's Rob with the Rack Shop, and here to show you a little bit about Deck. So Deck is an in-bed drawer system. So it's a great way to organize your contents in the bed and to keep them secure, not only from theft, but also from the elements. So this is actually a weatherproof design. This is, what you see here is actually a quarter of the full-size unit. So this section that we have here is this driver rear section here. So you can tell it is actually form fitted for each specific truck. So it is important that you not only identify your make model, but also double, triple, quadruple check your bed length, because that is critical for ordering the correct component. 2 drawers are equipped. Now, of course, since this is a display, you don't have the regular full drawer, but here we show the cross box. They also have the bigger D box, and those are designed to fit perfectly within the space that's allotted here. There's also points where you can add dividers. So let me grab that camera and give you a closer look. There you go, get a much better, closer view. Don't need to see me. There we go. So a nice textured finish to help with grip, help prevent slipping. Each drawer can hold up to 200 pounds. The entire system can actually hold up to 2,000 pounds in your bed. So you don't compromise on your payload capacity of your pickup truck. So actually this whole rig here is made of 100% recycled material. So 100% polyethylene and American steel. So part of how it gets its strength is from the substructure. And luckily with this display, we can actually dip down underneath, get a good view for you, and get a view of that substructure in there. There we go. So that substructure is critical in supporting all of that weight. Here you can see here, this is the center support. So that would run the length of your bed and support the center of the unit. So again, here you can see, get a better view of the sample drawer. There's your cutouts for your dividers, optional. And in the full unit, these are actually, they can retain water. So if you want to use them at a tailgate or just contain a whole fluids in there, you can get the optional drain plugs to make draining quick and easy. So while these are weatherproof, fine debris, like fine particles of dust and moisture, can get inside. So you do want to make sure that your sensitive gear is protected. So of course, if you're putting camera equipment, something like that, you'd want to make sure that's in a protective case on its own. So most of these installations don't require any drilling. I believe the Tacoma requires minor drilling into the bed. So with that being said, once everything's assembled and installed, if you do need to remove it, that's actually fairly quick. You can have it out in about 15-20 minutes. Quicker, the more times you do it. But really, with the ample space left, you really don't need to uninstall and install it very frequently. And with the height below the bed rail, it actually works in conjunction with a lot of bed racks, including Leitner's ACS Forge system. So those two are actually a great pairing, which we have a video on our YouTube page and links to our website for more details on that. Here in this back corner, they call it an ammo can. Lift that up, and this is actually how it connects to the vehicle. So depending on your application, you'll use one of the 3 holes. What that is a long J-bolt. See if we can get you a better picture here. So that, if you can imagine it being your tie down in your pickup bed, that's what it'd be connected to. And in some applications that don't have a pre-installed anchor point, DECK will supply it in the hardware kit. So a really well thought out and engineered system that just slaps down like so. So in the full-size trucks, you do have 2 full-size drawers. In the mid-size truck, you'll have 1 full-size and then a slightly smaller one to give you a size proportion. The D box, actually it's shown right there for you. The D box, which is the bigger box, can fit sideways, and the cross box fits lengthwise. In the smaller drawer, the cross box, you turn that sideways to fit into the smaller drawer. I mentioned security. So while this does not come equipped with locks, most tailgates nowadays have factory installed locks. So once you lock your tailgate, essentially the drawers are locked. But if you want, you can actually purchase a lock kit, and that'll add locks to each drawer. Here you can see the weather seal. They call it the wiper. Real strong, hefty. Now this rolls on sealed ball bearings within these wheels. So just a really strong, robust, and durable system. Can't forget the bottle opener. That's probably the most critical part of this DECK system, because without hydration, you just won't make it. So this has been just a quick video of the decked in-bed drawer system. More information about this can be found at our website, therackshop.com. Please like and subscribe to this video. That helps us, helps this channel out, helps us generate more useful, hopefully useful videos for you. Once we get this installed into a pickup truck, we will definitely make another video and post that for your viewing. Thanks for watching.